June 5, 2023 will go down as the day Apple started something big. It's different from what the world expected. It's more expensive, it's more ambitious, and it has a much longer runway. But while the Apple Vision Pro looks like a set of magic ski goggles, it's actually a computing platform that might eventually take over a lot of what we do today on smartphones, tablets, and computers. That's because Apple made augmented reality the core of the product, rather than virtual reality. At WWDC 2023, when Tim Cook announced that the Vision Pro was an AR headset rather than the expected VR headset, the live audience of developers and journalists at Apple Park fell into a shocked silence, and for good reason. AR is a much bigger deal than VR. Most of the expectations swirling around the launch of an Apple headset centered around it being a VR device with a touch of AR thrown in. The reality was exactly the opposite. Vision Pro is an AR headset that includes some VR-like capabilities. VR is naturally constrained by the fact that you are largely cut off from the world around you when you put a VR headset on. That makes for immersive experiences that can transport you to another place, but it also limits the amount of time most people will spend in a headset to 30 minutes or less per day. On the other hand, AR glasses could shrink down considerably over the next decade and become a digital display that is overlaid on top of the majority of your daily experiences. Before we go to discuss about how AR, augmented reality, going to change this world, we must know its upper hand when compared with VR, virtual reality, technology. VR requires headsets. AR experiences don't necessarily need them. VR creates environments. AR modifies the real world. VR doesn't require as much bandwidth as AR to operate. AR enhances real and virtual worlds. VR can only replace them with a fictional reality. It unites the digital world, and the real-world Vision Pro is actually a mixed reality headset. It combines AR and VR. But since the world already barely understands AR and VR, even though we've been talking about them for over a decade, it's helpful that Apple didn't confuse people by introducing a whole new term. Instead, Apple talked about new ways that Vision Pro can unite the online world, where so many of us now spend so much of our time, with our everyday life. Cook characterized it as seamlessly blending the real world with the digital world. Again, because AR overlays digital information on top of the real world, that opens up entire categories of content and experiences where developers can build on existing activities, professions, hobbies, and passions rather than having to digitally recreate them in VR. Vision Pro blends digital content into the space around usage, a new kind of computer. One of the biggest surprises for me was the way Apple demonstrated different interfaces for Vision Pro that mimic the iPad, the Apple TV, and the Mac. Honestly, the iPad and Apple TV interfaces didn't surprise me, but the Mac did. Apple showed users creating the equivalent of giant multi-monitor Mac setups within Vision Pro. With Vision Pro, you're no longer limited by a display. Your surroundings become an infinite canvas. Augmented reality, AR, technology has the potential to transform multiple industries and change the way we perceive and interact with the world. Here are a few examples of AR technologies that can have a significant impact. Remote assistance and collaboration. AR can enable real-time collaboration and remote assistance by overlaying digital information onto the physical environment. For example, technicians can use AR glasses or devices to receive instructions, visualize diagrams, or access expert guidance while performing complex repairs or maintenance tasks. This technology enhances productivity, reduces downtime, and enables knowledge sharing across distances. Healthcare and medical training. AR can assist healthcare professionals in various ways. Surgeons can benefit from AR overlays that provide real-time patient data, surgical guidance, or 3D visualization during procedures. Medical students can use AR simulations to practice complex surgeries or visualize anatomical structures. AR technology has the potential to enhance precision, improve patient outcomes, and advance medical education. Retail and e-commerce. AR can revolutionize the shopping experience by allowing customers to virtually try on products, visualize how furniture or appliances would look in their homes, or receive personalized recommendations based on their preferences. By overlaying digital information onto the real world, AR enhances product visualization, increases customer engagement, and streamlines the purchasing process. Navigation and wayfinding. AR can provide intuitive navigation and wayfinding experiences, particularly in unfamiliar environments. By overlaying digital information, such as arrows or directions, onto the user's view, AR can guide users to their destination, provide contextual information about points of interest, and enhance the overall navigation experience. Education and training. AR can transform education by bringing textbooks and learning materials to life. It can overlay interactive 3D models, animations, or additional information onto physical objects, making learning more engaging and immersive. AR can also assist in practical training scenarios, such as simulating chemistry experiments or archaeological excavations. Architecture and design. AR enables architects and designers to visualize and present their creations in real-world contexts. Clients can experience virtual walkthroughs of buildings, visualize proposed designs in situ, or assess how natural light would interact with the physical space. AR technology enhances design communication, fosters client engagement, and helps in making informed decisions. Industrial maintenance and repair. AR can assist technicians in performing complex maintenance and repair tasks by overlaying step-by-step instructions, highlighting components, or providing real-time data on equipment performance. This technology improves efficiency, reduces errors, and enhances safety in industrial settings. Tourism and cultural experiences. AR can enhance tourism by providing immersive and interactive experiences at historical sites, museums, or landmarks. Users can access additional information, virtual guides, or see historical reconstructions overlaid onto the physical environment, making the experience more engaging and educational. Workplace training and onboarding. AR can streamline employee training and onboarding processes by overlaying digital instructions, virtual mentors, or interactive simulations onto the physical workspace. This technology helps employees quickly acquire new skills, improves knowledge retention, and reduces training costs. Emergency response and disaster management. AR can assist emergency responders by providing real-time information overlays, navigation guidance, and situational awareness during critical incidents. It can help identify hazards, locate survivors, and coordinate rescue efforts, ultimately improving response times and saving lives. Design and prototyping. AR enables designers and engineers to visualize and iterate on their designs in real-world contexts. By overlaying digital models onto physical spaces, AR technology allows for rapid prototyping, design validation, and efficient collaboration, reducing costs and accelerating the product development process. Art and creativity. AR can transform artistic expression by merging digital and physical realms. Artists can create interactive and immersive experiences, where viewers can engage with virtual artworks, animations, or narratives overlaid onto physical spaces or objects. AR expands the possibilities for artistic exploration and audience engagement. Social interaction and communication. AR can enhance social experiences by overlaying digital information and virtual elements onto real-world interactions. This technology can enable people to connect, play games, share information, and collaborate in augmented shared spaces, blurring the boundaries between physical and digital realms. Environmental planning and architecture. AR can aid in urban planning and architecture by visualizing proposed infrastructure projects, such as buildings or transportation systems, within the existing urban environment. This technology allows stakeholders to assess the visual impact, spatial relationships, and environmental considerations before construction, fostering sustainable and informed decision-making. Virtual tourism and remote exploration. AR can enable virtual travel and exploration by overlaying virtual information and experiences onto real-world locations. Users can virtually visit and interact with distant or inaccessible places, fostering cultural understanding, promoting sustainable tourism, and expanding opportunities for exploration and discovery. Historical and cultural preservation. AR can bring history and cultural heritage to life by overlaying virtual reconstructions, stories, and multimedia content onto historical sites or artifacts. This technology enhances visitor experiences, preserves cultural narratives, and helps educate future generations about our shared heritage. Advertising and marketing. AR can revolutionize advertising campaigns by allowing consumers to interact with virtual products, try on virtual clothing or accessories, or participate in gamified experiences. This technology increases brand engagement, enables personalized marketing, and provides unique ways to showcase products or services. Sports and live events. AR can enhance the spectator experience during live sports events by overlaying real-time statistics, replays, or virtual graphics onto the field or court. This technology adds a new layer of information and interactivity, enriching the viewing experience for fans. Accessibility and inclusion. AR can be used to assist individuals with disabilities or special needs. For example, AR glasses or applications can provide real-time captions or translations, assist with navigation for visually impaired individuals, or offer sensory experiences for those with limited mobility. Environmental awareness and sustainability. AR can create virtual simulations of environmental changes, such as the impact of deforestation or climate change. This technology can raise awareness, educate the public, and inspire action towards environmental conservation and sustainable practices. These examples illustrate the wide-ranging potential of AR technology to transform industries and improve various aspects of our lives. As technology continues to advance, we can anticipate even more innovative applications that harness the power of augmented reality. We can be sure that Apple Vision Pro has put a longer step to make the humanity to walk across the new world of vision. Like Apple introduced iPhone in 2007, it will be said that a world exists before and after launching Apple Vision Pro. This will redefine the world. Please support our channel, Adu Site, by subscribing and liking our videos for more educative and informational videos. Please enable bell icon for getting notification when we upload our new videos.